Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm resident nerd Eric Burris, joined by Beth here at the Science Center. And Beth, Superhero Weekend is the 15th and the 16th, and we're talking about superheroes because you and I, as humans, have our own superpower.
We do, Eric, we do. And I'd like to share a little bit about what I think is my favorite superpower that we have, and that is the ability to see color with our eyes.
Cool.
So our eyes in the very back have cells that are cone cells and rod cells, and they help us translate light and help us see the colors.
Yeah.
We need light to see color.
Sure.
So that's why when it's dark outside, you can't see the blue of the sky or the green of the grass. It all looks like shadows. But we can use that light and that superpower to write secret messages to each other.
Love it. Okay. All right, so let's talk about what you need to do this sort of thing.
So what we'll need is a piece of paper and some colored pencils, markers, or crayons. And what we are going to do is we are going to use the cool colors, blues, greens, and purples to write a secret message. And we are going to surround those colors with the warm colors, orange, red, pink, yellow. And then afterwards, we're going to use a kind of cell like this in red color.
Just like a transparent red thing,
Yeah.
So you made a note already. So when you look at this with the naked eye, right, it just looks like a jarble gook of colors. When we add that red cell,
you see the secret message.
Super you. All right, so yours is prettier than mine. But
Thank you.
I mean, it is what it is, but mine, it's like a garble gook.
I like it.
I've got a bunch of text there, right? But when we add the cell, boom, WESH 2 rocks. So all you need is colored pencils, markers, anything like that, and a red transparency sheet.
Yeah. And then you can write your own superhero messages and decode them.
Love it so much. Thank you so much for your time, Beth.
You're welcome.
And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.